New month and new numbers. Let's talk about what's really happening in Windsor, Colorado's housing market and what it means if you are just thinking about buying, selling, or just watching the market closely. Right now, Windsor's median home price is sitting at or just below 666,000. New listings are coming in slightly lower, which a median new list price is just under 650,000. That tells us sellers are starting to price more strategically. I can't talk today. We're at about $209 per square foot, which is important because it helps normalize the value across different home styles and sizes. Homes are taking longer to sell, as we know, but it's not shocking. The average days on the market is 112 days, and the median is 84 days. That's a big shift from fast-paced markets we saw a few years ago. But again, a few years ago was the outlier. Here's the big stat. Sellers need to hear. 44% of listings have had a price reduction. That tells us buyers are pushing back and the market is correcting towards the realistic pricing. We're also seeing about 13% of homes relisted, which usually means they didn't sell the first time, often due to overpricing or the condition. Inventory is currently 195 homes, giving buyers more options and more leverage, which for those watching for the rental side, median rent is just under $2,600, which still keeps home ownership in the conversation long term for many buyers. The Market Action Index, which tells you if it's a seller's market or a buyer's market, has gone down just into the buyer's market, 29. Which officially dips us into the buyer-leaning market. This doesn't mean prices are crashing, but it does mean the power balance is shifting. You buyers, you have more negotiation power. Price, inspection, concession, and timelines matter again. But sellers, pricing correctly from day one is critical. The market will tell you quickly if you have missed the mark. Make sure for buyers and sellers, make sure you guys have good agents that do comp readings for you. Because buyers, sometimes you are going into a home that's very well priced. You can't win everything. For everyone, this is a more balanced, thoughtful market, not a rush, not an emotional, and very strategic driven market. If you want to make smart, low-stress decisions in this kind of market, staying informed is everything. I'll keep breaking Northern Colorado down week by week. If you want Windsor's update next month, stay tuned.